Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Range Rover Velar D200. This vehicle comes as a D200 Dynamic HSE and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine accompanied with an automatic transmission as well as Land Rover's 4-wheel drive system. The vehicle comes finished in the lovely pink colour Arios grey, and across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with signature LED daytime driving lights. Helping you park and manoeuvre, the vehicle features a set of front parking sensors, and down below it sits on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels coming in a lovely multi-spoke design as well as a gloss black finish. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass for the two rear passengers as well as the tailgate. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there's a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The Velar features an electrically assisted tailgate, revealing a very large spacious boot area complete with a retractable parcel shelf. For the rear passengers there is a 3-seater passenger bench with the option of a folding armrest in the middle. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the ebony Windsor leather, providing maximum comfort on any length of journey. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. The system has many benefits, including inbuilt navigation, along with allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle or listen to all your favourite radio stations. Throughout the centre console we'll find a few cup holders as well as an armrest, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as a heated steering wheel, along with a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this Range Rover Velar D200. For any further inquiries, please contact a member of our sales team. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.